2.5 years, we're here with yet another addition to our cork pants set. This time, we're inspired by the approaching winter season, and I wanted to unbox and show you guys the swatches so you know exactly what to expect when you buy the set. It comes with 3 metallic shades, a grey, a beautiful blue, and a gorgeous gold that will add the perfect shimmer to your artworks and your holiday cards. It also contains a variety of blues, greens, and a few other holiday-inspired shades like mulled wine and Christmas red. Again, it would make for a great addition to your cards this holiday season. And as always, the set is extremely portable. It can fit in the palm of your hands, and the paints are vibrant and vegan. We're launching this on November 11th on our website, and we'll have more information for you over there. So go have a look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you going to okay, I'll stop rambling on for now. Have a look at the swatches, see what you think, and let's all do some art over the holidays and take a break from our devices.